Hold on to your coffee cups, folks. AI ain't just whipping up dinner anymore. It's coming for our caffeine fix. Yeah, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence is officially brewing in the coffee world, and it's stirring up a whole latte drama. We've all been hearing about AI taking over kitchens, right? Well, now it's after our favorite baristas. Hold on tight, coffee lovers. Things are about to get really interesting.
So how's this whole AI coffee thing even work? Picture this. AI analyzes mountains of coffee data. We're talking bean types, roast levels, water temperatures, you name it. It's like a coffee professor on steroids. AI uses all this info to calculate the recipe for any coffee imaginable. The perfect grind, the ideal brewing time, the exact temperature. AI nails it every single time.
Now, you can imagine how baristas feel about this, right? They've spent years honing their craft, perfecting their pour-over techniques, creating latte art masterpieces. And suddenly, a machine's coming in saying, "Hold my cappuccino, I got this." Some baristas are scared, some are angry. They're worried their jobs are on the line. And let's be real, there's something special about a skilled barista crafting your coffee with love. Can a machine really replace that human touch?
Section 4, Tradition versus Technology, the Coffee Clash. This whole AI coffee situation really brings up a bigger question, tradition versus technology. It's a debate that extends beyond just coffee, touching on many aspects of our daily lives. On one hand, we have the time-honored traditions of coffee making, the meticulous process of grinding beans, steaming milk, and pouring that perfect latte art. The art of the barista, a craft honed over years of practice and passion. The community of the coffee shop, where people gather not just for a caffeine fix, but for connection and conversation. The feeling you get when your favorite barista hands you that perfect cup, made just the way you like it. On the other hand, we've got technology promising us the perfect cup every time, made with speed and consistency. No more waiting in line, no more human error. The machine never tires, never has a bad day, and always delivers the same quality. It's a tough call, folks. Do we prioritize efficiency and consistency, or do we value the human touch and the experience that comes with it? Do we embrace the future and risk losing that human touch? The warmth of a smile, the small talk that makes your day a little brighter? Or do we hold on to tradition, even if it means missing out on a perfectly consistent cup? It's a question that each of us will have to answer for ourselves.